In today's video, I'm going to be building this. Take all these bolts out. And those bolts. So this pile of bolts I pulled out, and that's only two rims. This is a nice, cheap and easy project of about $10. A roller and a piece of scrap steel. I'm going to show you what I'm working on back here on this Nissan 240SX with the 2JZ swap, trying to get a better fitment on those back tires. Okay, so this is the material I'm going to be using. I had a couple initial ideas using like angle iron, but I figure I'm not going to make this adjustable. It would be nice because like with a smaller rim, you know, you'd want it closer together. With a bigger rim, you want it farther apart. But I'm just going to kind of make something in the middle for the 17s because I don't think I'm going to be messing around with anything bigger than a 17 and then maybe at worst a 13. And then this will also be least amount of metal used and you know, kind of lightweight because you're only, you know, resting an empty rim on it. So let's get into that. Solid, cheap, easy, and it's going to save me a lot of headaches removing all these bolts. This is a second set of wheels that I already have on my car. They're there. I got these ones because that's a low disc. I need those for the rear to bring that rear tire in, and then I can get rid of some of the camber, potentially run even a wider wheel. We'll see how much I gain. I think it's about 10 to 15 mil. Let me take off that wheel and then start working on getting the other face onto it. here's how we're sitting on the old face. Our current setup. Let me get this off and then take this one apart. Here we are, the two different faces. So, as you can see, this is the one I had on the car, and this is the one I'm going to be putting on the car. I wonder what kind of differences we're getting here. That's at about, hard to see, that's about 62, 68 mils to the top of that. And this one is about 98, or 89 actually. Yeah, I'm going to put this new one on. I'm only going to put a couple bolts in, and then we'll test it out. There's the tire on, the wheel and tire on. Can't see the wheel at all, but it's the other thing too, like when this thing sits down on the ground, has some weight on it, it cambers in, so I can get rid of some of the camber, but yeah, it'll be good. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this helped. Smash that like button and subscribe. Stick around for the next video.